Welcome to Westy Explores. In this video, I'm visiting the Natural History Museum, one of London's most famous and free attractions. From giant dinosaurs and incredible discoveries, let's explore why millions of people visit every year and why it should be on your must-see list. Located in South Kensington, this world-famous museum is home to millions of specimens that tell the story of life on Earth, from the age of the dinosaurs to the incredible diversity of our planet today. Before stepping inside, the museum's stunning Victorian architecture, built in the 19th century, makes a lasting impression. The grand building itself is often described as a cathedral of nature and welcomes millions of visitors every year. As you enter the magnificent Hintze Hall, you'll be greeted by one of the museum's most spectacular exhibits, a giant blue whale skeleton suspended from the ceiling. This enormous creature reminds us of both the beauty and the fragility of life in our oceans. A magnificent grand staircase dominates the hall, with a seated statue of Charles Darwin positioned proudly at its summit, facing the entrance. Take a moment to appreciate the details throughout the hall. They provide a perfect introduction to the incredible journey through natural history that awaits inside. You are free to climb the stairs and get some great photos. You may need to wait a little to get that perfect clear shot. One of the museum's most popular attractions is the Dinosaur Gallery. Here, visitors can travel back millions of years and come face to face with some of the most incredible creatures ever to walk the Earth. From towering fossils to interactive displays, the exhibit brings the prehistoric world vividly to life. An animated T-Rex is one of the most popular features in this area with children. They are captivated by this iconic creature, moving and roaring. As you'd expect, you'll find a gift shop waiting at the exit of the Dinosaur Gallery, packed with souvenirs, toys, books, and gifts for dinosaur enthusiasts of all ages. Another hall features an amazing collection of mammals. From a huge blue whale to orcas, dolphins, and rhinos, the collection showcases some of the most fascinating mammals on Earth. The museum explores everything from volcanoes and earthquakes to gemstones, minerals, and the evolution of life itself. Learning about human evolution over millions of years is fascinating, and with modern technology, they have been able to recreate what our ancestors could have looked like. There's also an impressive collection of gemstones, minerals, and meteorites. Each help tell the story of our planet and its origins. Interactive exhibits allow visitors to experience the power of natural forces and learn how our planet continues to change over time. You can experience what it's like to be in an earthquake, with the floor below you shaking and the walls moving around you. Beyond its exhibits, the museum remains actively involved in research and conservation efforts across the globe. From studying endangered species to supporting habitat restoration, its scientists are helping to better understand and protect the natural world. The Natural History Museum is a popular destination for school groups, so don't be surprised if you encounter plenty of exciting students during your visit. If you prefer a quieter experience, considering arriving later in the afternoon around 2 p.m, when many school trips begin to leave. Even during school holidays, visitor numbers remain high. As one of London's most popular attractions, the museum is busy throughout the year and is a must-see on many tourist itineraries. While the crowds won't diminish the experience, you may need a little extra patience when exploring some of the more popular exhibits and displays. Although admission is free, I recommend reserving a timed entry slot online. It helps avoid long queues and gives you greater certainty about when you'll be able to enter the museum. You don't need to book, but you will be queued up with everyone else who hasn't booked, so entry may take a while. There are a number of cafes on site, so if you're thirsty or hungry, you're looked after here. Prices are typical for a major London attraction, but you'll find plenty of options whether you're looking for a quick snack, coffee, or a full meal. Online and in the museum, you will be asked if you'd like to make a donation, or if you'd like to pay for some extras, but you don't have to if you don't want to. This is a free museum. One tip, only bring small bags. Anything larger, you will need to pay for them to be stored whilst you visit. How to get to the museum? The easiest way is by the tube. South Kensington Station is a short walk away and is served by the Piccadilly, District and Circle lines. Whether you're a science enthusiast, a history lover, or simply looking for a memorable day out in London, the Natural History Museum offers something for everyone. To properly explore, I'd recommend allowing at least 3 hours, although you could easily spend much longer here. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has given you a useful insight into what to expect and inspired you to plan your own visit. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.